Yo, what's up, party people? So, I'm feeling massively sick today, so I'm not gonna be able to get the video out. But there is something I wanted to show you that I've done over here. So, how about the skill? So, I guess I'll just do that and we'll test the skill out. So, this skill is you use the creator skill. You just type in. I, you know what? I was so fucked. I forgot to put in the prompts that I used yesterday. Oh well, okay, we'll get to that. Anyway, so you type in backslash skill creator and then you type in what you want to create, right? So you can see I had a markdown file of some, an MD file is a file that Claude creates. Um, so I had a file that I done some research on, just about 10 minute long form retention for data, for viewers, things like that. All right. I asked Claude to create a skill from that data, from that research. So it said, okay, great. And then I also asked it to do additional research while Claude's at it, right? So said, okay, great. I've got solid research. It literally went through like maybe 40 different sites to be able to pull the latest data. It pulled data that about the A/B testing in terms of your title, thumbnail. You can do A/B testing on those stuff, thumbnail concepts, what works, what doesn't work, hooks, right? Uh, so that's what's really cool. Anyway, now how do you then use the skill? I I told it, listen here, use the YouTube outlier video builder, which is the skill we created. That's what we named it. So once you type in backslash YouTube, it's going to find the skill, or let's say it was another skill, A/B testing, right? You just type in backslash, you type the skill, and then it's going to, and then you prompt it what to do. So I told Claude that look, we're doing day 1 of 30. It went through all of this, right? It gave me different titles to pick, which is great. It gave me a thumbnail concept, which is great. Video description to use, tags to use as well. Now, how did all of that actually perform? It sucked. It really sucked because if we come back here, right? I was just looking into short algorithms, but look at this. Look at this. I think one view over the last 24 hours. This was on my previous video. Two views. Two views. 2 views. I didn't have those views before, so suck it. Anyway, right. Let's go back to Claude. It gave tags. It gave a video description, um, and it basically asked for double check before you publish that everything that I spoke about was actually in the thing. Anyway, I attached this picture so that it can add it into the thumbnail, and this is the thumbnail that it generated. Boom, boom. Yeah, I know I looked damn tired there. It was late at night, finished work. I don't care, right? Can you add onto the thumbnail? So I further prompted it, hey, listen here, get tired after 9 to 5, but still working. This is what it actually pulled out. This was version 2, still showing up. Now that doesn't actually say that I was tired, but oh well, right? And then it gave me an option to update the skill because I asked, can you edit the thumbnail? I want you to also save this thumbnail. I even spelled thumbnail wrong. Who's gay? Who's gay? Save this thumbnail idea for further videos because the template will need to stay congruent and consistent because I don't want to make it look okay, day 1 of 30 looks like this, day 30 of 30. In fact, I mean, obviously when I get to day 30 it has to look even better, but will I actually have made the Claude challenge, right? My impression so far of this current challenge, I don't think it works. It hinges um, on you being able to do cold outreach and all of that. It hinges on your own skills, which fully understandable, but maybe somebody actually wants to come in and try to use Claude itself to be able to do things that they can't. And that's something else. That's something else entirely. Because not everybody will have some sort of skill that they would be able to sell. That's what this challenge works on. But if you don't have a skill, what then? Or if your skill is not sellable, I can't think of a skill that maybe you very good with doing tongue waves. That's not really sellable. Maybe actually, you know what? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. If you think things are not sellable, right? My son actually started watching this for some reason. Somebody made this video, and this, look at this. Watch what it does. That's all it does for an hour straight. And look at how many views. 3.8 million views. What? Are you serious? So if you think that you can't do this, or there's some sort of skill that is out of your league, somebody literally just took the Netflix logo, put it into an hour-long loop, and it gets views. Now, if that is not bottom of the barrel sort of reach, I mean, we have skills, we have knowledge, we have things that we can do other than just a Netflix 1 hour logo. So, day 2 of 30. Let's go through this. I was supposed to be doing my whole Facebook thing, but instead, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you this skill because I'm really not feeling well. Apparently, I have bad tonsillitis. Makes me feel like every time I swallow, it's glass cutting through my throat. So let's just go through this. We're going to say YouTube outlier. You can press tab so that it automatically fills it out. Day 2 of 30. Video is done. Content is about being sick, so I'm not able to continue with the Claude challenge because I'm not feeling up for it. Now, here's the thing, I don't hear all of that Alex Hormozy crap. Let me tell you what, Alex Hormozy is really amazing in terms of earning money, um, building a big business. But you have to also be able to take a day off when you are not feeling well. So we are not about that life, really. The thing is, at the end of the day, the money that you make is going to come to you regardless. You don't have to go out there and chase it. Chasing wealth is one of the worst things you can do with your time. A much better thing is actually to help people. And a lot of times, the help that you give to people ends up giving you money, which is, I mean, win-win. Okay, because I'm not feeling well. Video is done. Content is about being sick, so I'm not able to continue with the Claude challenge because I'm not feeling well. I've got a bad case of being a motherfucker. I've got a bad case of the heebie-jeebies. I've got a bad case of tonsillitis or throatitis. That's not even a word. Further, I decided to show off the skill we made yesterday. So, we just said what the content is. Now we're going to say give exactly what it needs to give me. Give me A. title. Give me a thumbnail. Uh, can we use, oh, let's do this. Let me show you what we do with a thumbnail. So we're going to take a live picture. Oh man, look at that forehead lines. Ooh, do I really look like that? Well, let's make a face like we see. No, that sucks. Look at that. Oh, wrong one. Look at that. Let's redo this. Feeling sick. Can I take a picture like that? Uh, yes. Oh, look at that double chin. Hell no. Let's do a better double chin. Okay, that's better. Now we're going to send it to ourselves. Send it. I'm going to grab it from WhatsApp. Where is WhatsApp? The personal data. So I'm actually working on my other screen. I've got two screens. It's just my other screen has things that might be not even not safe for work. Just maybe his. Wow, my brain is so fried. It is. What does it flip and have, Irfan? What does it have? Oh, it is sensitive data. That's it. Cool. That's it. Oh, my WhatsApp is not working. Let's click on it again. That sucks. Okay, looks like we might have to log in over here. Web.whatsapp.com. Okay, scan the QR code. Logging in. Come on. So this is just where I'm keeping some of the data. Look at this. So this is a skill that I actually want to build. Okay, so we got that saved, right? We pull that down. We attach this drop files here to add to chat. Give me a title, give me a thumbnail. I added a picture of myself looking sick, sick. Give me a description and tags. Let's go. Enter. Now check what it does. Now this is after it's done its research. Now architected sick day narrative contrasting illness with skill show. What? Okay. Now look, it's generating the skill, uh, generating the thumbnail. Let me actually look before sending it to you. Oh, okay, okay, you checking it out first. Great. What is going on here? Close that. Oh, this video is going way longer than I thought. Huh? Tonsillitis hit. Oh, just swapped the day numbers, stat chip, tonsil, and arrow callout. Still shipped a skill to match today's story. Day 2, tonsillitis nearly ended. I like this one. I'm going with this one. I definitely like this one. Still shipping with Claude. Okay, so we're gonna A/B test some of those, right? Day two of perfect. That's it. And then you just add all of this into YouTube once you're done. I do know that we didn't actually go through the whole skill, but anyway, I mean not the whole skill. What we were supposed to be doing for day two, that's okay. Like I say, this I already have some sort of idea of what I actually want to do with Claude right now, which is something way different to this whole thing that he's doing. But I've started this challenge and I need to finish the challenge. So, peace out and do that whole like, share, subscribe. I should have maybe said that earlier. Like, share, subscribe. Boom.